Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to day 12 of PWA Ramadan Kids Series. Today, Qirat will be presented by Mohammad Yahya, Qirat with translation by Adam Jainudheen, and a beautiful hamd by Rayyan Sheikh Samir, and a speech on the topic Importance of Supplications in Ramadan by Sana Fathima.
أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي يدعو اليتيم ولا يحض على طعام المسكين فويل للمصلين الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون الماعون صدق الله العظيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها وقال الإنسان ما لها يومئذ تحدث أخبارها بأن ربك أوحى لها يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. When the earth is shaken with its final earthquake, and when the earth throws out its burdens, and man will say, what is the matter with it? That day it will declare its information about all that happened over it of good or evil, because your Lord will inspire it. That day mankind will proceed in scattered groups that they may be shown their deeds. So, whosoever does good equal to the weight of an atom or a small ant shall see it, and whosoever does evil equal to the weight of an atom or a small ant shall see it. Sadaqallahu al-Azim.
Miles away, oceans apart, never in my side, but always in my heart. The love is always there, it will never die, only growing stronger. A tear rolls down my eyes. I'm thinking of the time when the day will come, standing there before you, accept this Hajj of mine, standing in Ihram, making my tawaf, drinking blessing from your well. The challenge of Safa and Marwa rekindles my iman. Oh Allah, I am waiting for the call, praying for the day when I can be near the Kaaba wall. Oh Allah, I am waiting for the call, praying for the day when I can be near the Kaaba wall. I feel alive and I feel strong, strong, I can feel Islam running through my veins to see my Muslim brothers, the purpose all the same, greeting one another, exalting one true name. Oh, I truly hope one day everyone will get the chance to be blessed with the greatest honor, to be called to your noble house, standing in Ihram, making my tawaf, drinking blessing from your well. The challenge of Safa and Marwa rekindles my iman. I am waiting for the call. Praying for the day when I can be near the Kaaba wall. Oh Allah, I am waiting for the call. Praying for the day when I can be near the Kaaba wall. لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك 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 جزاك الله.
Ramadan is the holiest month in Islam. During this blessed month, it is time to worship Allah. It is a time where Muslims seek forgiveness from Him in the hope of Jannah. There are many important aspects of Ramadan, and one of the most important aspects of Ramadan is the recitation of du'as or supplication. These du'as serve as a way to connect to Allah and seek forgiveness for any wrongdoings. Dua is a source of keeping the supplicant closer to Allah. It is like having a conversation with Allah in which we put our needs before Him and ask for His help in the resolution of our needs. It is a form of worship as well. Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala anhu stated that Prophet Mohammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to say, there are three whose duas do not get rejected. First, a just ruler. Second, a fasting person until he breaks his fast. And third, the prayer of an oppressed one. Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha also stated that when Ramadan used to arrive, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam's face color used to change. He then used to increase his salah, become even more humble in his du'as, and feared Allah even more. It is also stated that the malaika or the angels bearing the throne are commanded in Ramadan to leave everything else and say Ameen to du'as of those who fast. Supplication in Ramadan has many benefits for you in this life and Akhirah. You never know when your dua might get accepted, especially during this month. So, make this Ramadan more fruitful by utilizing your time in making duas and asking for forgiveness. Jazakallah khair.